What's up, guys? We are back here with another Everything's Regular video, man. I want to thank everybody out there for tuning in today. You guys caught that video yesterday where we finally finished up in the Dominican Republic, man. We got on live, man. Showed you guys what's coming new and everything that we got coming to the channel, man. I can't wait. If you guys are just now tuning in, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. Let me know where you guys are tuning in from. I definitely want to know. Definitely want to know, man. Meanwhile, being that we are back in the States, man, we got a lot of work to do, man. Firstly, if you guys have ordered anything after February 16th, man, you guys' stuff will be shipped out either Friday or Monday, man. Look out for a tracking number, man. It's just been really busy and I've been out the way. It's literally only me doing it. But furthermore, man, being that we are back in the States, we got a lot of things we can cover and a lot of things I've been thinking about I want to do, man. So let's get right to it, man. But before we do that, man, if you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win the whole Ooh and Ah giveaway, you guys know it is that time to shine. This is the very last week to get in to win because next Friday we are going live picking the whole winner, man. So with that being said, you guys know we're giving away our 2020 Silverado dually truck paired together for first place with our matching 2021 CVO Road Glide. Yes, man, the bike and the truck. The bike will be on back of that thing when you get that. That's just first place. We got second place, which is our wide body Hellcat paired together for second place as well with our matching 2020 Road Glide special. So not only do you get a bike and a truck for first place, you get a Hellcat wide body and a bike for second place, man. Meanwhile, third place, man, you guys know we got a garage full of Road Glides. So third place, you'll receive your very own Everything Regular Road Glide special with all the Everything Regular Oohs and Ahs on that joint. If you guys haven't entered in for a chance to win, all you guys got to do is head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get you an Everything Regular hat. All the wallets is already sold out, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. Today only, man, we got 20 entries for one purchase. If you buy a hat today, you get 20 entries for that one purchase, man. We are almost down to the wire and I want to give you the best chance possible, man. So if you guys want a shot at winning something great, today is the day to get in, man. If you guys been waiting for a huge sale or whatever it is, man, 20 entries per one hat today, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now and go get in while you can. Meanwhile, let's see what we got up in the garage and see what we can do today, man. All right, for starters, man, I can't wait to get this big truck out my driveway, man. So one of y'all gotta come pick this thing up like next Friday, next Saturday, man. I'm gonna be looking for y'all to come pick this thing up after we go live, so I can't wait for that. Y'all stay tuned because that truck is about to be y'all's. Meanwhile, man, we got a freaking driveway full of stuff. I gotta freaking move so many things out the way just to get to what I want. But before we do that, man, we can take a look at what's on the inside here. So you guys seen we got the wide body on our Hellcat and wrapped it up and everything. It's looking really good. Nice blue color, but it only made me want to freaking wrap this one a little bit more. Now this one is a little bit more special to me because it's number 499 of 501, the Daytona Hellcat, man. They only made these in 2020, so this one is definitely a rare and limited car. So I really like to keep it black, but like I said, with this thing being blue, I can only imagine what this thing is gonna look like with some color and with those rose gold wheels, man. So my guess is I'm gonna take it to Juan today. That's what I think I wanna do. And throw a wrap on there. Of course, it'll still be black under there, man. So eventually we'll bring the black back. But I like this. I like these rose gold wheels, and I think the color that I'm thinking about is gonna set this thing off really, really nicely, man. So I can't wait. Y'all stay tuned, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. We got to do something with the Trackhawk as well, man. You know that white is like a blank canvas. Now, we were supposed to get some other wheels for this thing. I dropped the deposit and freaking never went up there to go grab them yet, man. So, gotta go see about those or just get the lip on this thing black because these wheels is cool, but it could be a whole lot better, man. So, we just trying to figure it out, trying to get this show on the road. But as much as I want to put the Trackhawk in there and get it wrapped, I just don't know which color I want to wrap it. So I think I already know which color I want to wrap this one. So I think I'm going to pull this one out today. We'll go sliding in a little bit and go drop it off at Juan's. Meanwhile, I got to go take the Lambo and go get a wash because this thing is dirty, like dirty to the freaking 5th power, man. So we going to see what's up with this. The Corvette, we cleaned it up yesterday. It's actually the cleanest car in our fleet right now. Definitely a good looking color scheme on that. We actually rode our 131 yesterday and this thing is a freaking beast. So you guys know when we got it back, we was enjoying it, but we had some issues with the starter. So every time we would try to start it, it would like do a lag and then it'll like power on eventually. But we ended up taking it to the shop, getting the starter switched out, got a brand new battery in there, took it for a ride yesterday, and literally was just enjoying that thing. So this thing is ready to go. I even tried some freaking nice pulls, trying to get that takeoff correct, man. So we're gonna see what's good. We're gonna see what's good. It is looking nice, man. What y'all think about it? Let your boy know in the comments below. I might even hop on this thing with y'all today and just get y'all a little bar of what this thing can do. I don't know. We'll see what's good, man. Then y'all know we got Bay over here. This is our Miami Road Glide. Now I'm waiting for the parts for our 143 to get on this thing. So that's gonna be really, really sick. Can't wait to see what this bike does under some good power. It's gonna look incredible. So that's dope. The only thing I got to do left on this bike is just wire those tail lights up. I'll probably try that another day, just because right now I'm not really too fine about it. It's just done, just sitting here. So if anything, I think I'm definitely gonna pull out the wide body Daytona, move this over there so we can have some room right here for the bikes. And then we got some other bikes coming up on auction today, so we might get lucky and score something great. You never know, man. Y'all stay tuned. I want to see if this thing is gonna fire on though. So I honestly thought the battery was getting drained by this thing, but it was been the starter. So let's see if it's really the starter. I rode the heck out of it yesterday, let it sit all night. Let's see what we got. Yeah, we're ready to go, ready to go. I think I actually want to go hop on this thing with y'all, man. What y'all think? Y'all want to go ride this thing with me, man? Let's go get some nice little pulls. I might even take some air out the back wheel. I think I want to do that. Take some air out the back wheel and really see this thing go. So we'll see. I might even set y'all up, get y'all a nice little view. So now that we know this thing fire up real quick and easy, man, I want to practice some launches on this thing. I haven't raced this bike yet, man, and you guys know most of the time we're gonna race on the street anyway. So I want to go practice on one of these streets around here, try to get some good takeoffs, some good launches in, and just practice a little bit. So I'm gonna take y'all on a ride with me this morning. Hopefully we don't break nothing, man. Let's keep our fingers crossed and see how this goes. But first thing, I gotta move all this stuff out the driveway and make some room for the Big Daddy. All right, let's get this thing fired up. Big Daddy. Time to slide, man. Alright, man, so y'all see I got this thing out here. I'm gonna keep it running because I don't want it to cut off, and then we had the same problem we had before. So I'm just gonna enjoy it while we can. But I'm gonna see what this launch look like. Y'all let me know. I'm gonna set up the camera, hopefully nobody run it over.
launches, and I feel like I need to like let some more air out the back tire because all I'm doing is spinning. So I might let out a little bit more air in the back tire. Right here. Woo! That motherfucking brake is hot than a motherfucker. Damn, hurt the shit out of my finger. Shit out my finger, boy. Golly, that thing hurt. Definitely hurt. Fuck that. That motherfucker too hot to fuck with that right now. I'm cool. Just like that, guys, you guys see it here first, man. This is gonna be your third place bike, your 131 with all the everything regular oohs and ahs on that joint, man. We done finally figured it out, man. I love this bike. My whole thing is, if I'm gonna give you guys a whole bike with the oohs and ahs, man, I want you guys to be able to compete with the best of them, man. So this is gonna be our third place bike, the whole 131. Big shebang on there, man. So whoever win this thing, man, I want you guys to be out in the streets taking everybody down, getting your launches and all that right. So what y'all think about it, man? Let your boy know in the comments below. I'm about to pull the charger out and all that stuff, but I'm gonna probably save that for another video because I want to freaking get this thing out and I really want to go inside and see the launches, to be more honest with y'all. So we're gonna see what's good. If y'all haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is our third place Road Glide, the freaking 2020 with the 131 on that joint, man. I can't wait. Our first place is our 2020 Silverado, paired together for first place as well with our 2021 CVO Road Glide that we got in the cut, sitting oh so pretty and just waiting for its new home. Second place, we got our wide body Hellcat on them 24-inch wide body ooh and ah things, man. So that wide body Hellcat will be paired together for second place as well with a matching 2020 Road Glide. Now that thing is at the shop, but you guys already seen the whole beginning stages and all that. So first place, second place, third place, head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. You get 20 entries per one hat today only, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now. We will be going live next Friday. We will be going live next Friday, March 17th, St. Patrick's Day. Oh yeah, St. Patrick's Day, March 17th. We will be going live, giving away this thing, man. You see the blue and the green on St. Patrick's Day, man. You better be wearing it. You better be wearing it, man. I can't wait. It's a movie. So alrighty, guys, gonna wrap for today's video, man. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. I definitely appreciate it, man. I was gonna pull out the chargers and stuff earlier, but Juan ain't even at the shop just yet, man. So I decided to hop on that 131 thing. I was trying to get some launches in. I seemed like I got to take a little bit more air out the back tire because that thing just kept sliding. It's just so powerful. It didn't catch like little to no grip, and we got a really good grippy tire on there, man. So my thing is, we either got to freaking find an even stickier tire or let some more air out of that tire. Either way, man, that thing is a beast of a bike. We put our own touches on it and freaking nailed that thing. I was really trying to break it today. So you guys know, once I do these bikes and all that, man, I'm gonna ride the heck out of it.
it just because if it doesn't break on me, I know it's not gonna break on you, because I know 9 times out of 10, a lot of you guys don't ride like I do. Pop clutch and all the above, man. You guys know the fun stuff. Anywho, I definitely appreciate you guys tuning in, man. What did you guys think about today's video, man? Let your boy know in the comments below, man. You guys know today only we got 20 entries per 1 hat, man. So you buy 1 hat, you get 20 entries. You buy 2 hats, you get 40 entries. You buy 3 hats, you get 60 entries, man. Head on over to everythingsregular.com right now, because we are almost sold out. We are going live next week, March 17th on Friday, giving away the whole ooh and ah, man. So now's your time to shine. Get in right now while it's sale time, because after today, it won't be, man. You guys know what time it is. I appreciate you guys tuning in. If you guys haven't already, man, please like, comment, and subscribe. Go get you an Everything Regular hat while you can. Until next time, I will catch you guys on the next one, dog. Peace.